Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a DeLonghi magnific espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it's pretty much was popping out the door whenever he was doing coffee, and I mean because, well, it usually is because this is complete club with a lot of coffee and there's just a bunch of coffee grounds all over the place. So we just performed a tune-up on this machine and now it's working perfectly fine. So starting with hot water, just to clean our cup, we're just gonna test the machine, and we're gonna do a little bit of, we're gonna use the steamer a little bit, and then you do a shot of espresso. And now, hopefully I got some beans in there. Yes, I got. We also descaled the machine and did a couple of cycles to make sure that the descaler was on the machine and pretty much brings the whole thing. And as you can see, the water flow, it might need to be a little more coarser, but that can be adjusted on the grinder, and I mean finer. It needs to be a little bit finer, but that can be adjusted on the grinder. And let me just decrease the volume of the water because that was way too much. And now the steamer. As you can see, it started to build up some pressure. There you go, working perfectly fine. Okay, thank you for your with Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.